Welcome to aminacademy.com. In integration, let us discuss about properties of definite integral. And that property 8, that is periodic function. Periodic function means that values are repeating. For example, f of x equal to sine x. That means y equal to f of x. The function is sine x, cos x, like that. Here, if f of x equal f of a plus x, then we can say integral 0 to na f of x dx equal n into 0 to a f of x dx. Now next property 9 will do. That is intervals of modulus functions. Intervals of modulus functions. Here, integral a to b of modulus of f of x dx to integrate split the limits, split the interval of a to b into two parts, that is a to c and c to b. Means we are introducing intermediate limit c in between a and b. Then apply what? A to integral a to b f of x dx equal a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx, where a is lesser than c and lesser than b. Means c is an intermediate limit. Next property, removal of x from the product. Removal of x from the product. Suppose integral I equal 0 to a x into f of x dx equal 0 to a minus x. Instead of x you are writing a minus x, and f of x minus a f of x dx. Now this is a property 4 like before we discussed. Then further we are using 0 to a instead of x we are right a minus x is a, you are keeping into f of x minus a dx minus 0 to a x f of a minus x dx. Therefore we can write I equal 0 to a into f of x minus a dx minus integral, same thing you are writing, integral 0 to a x into f of x dx. So this already we expressed I equal x in integral 0 to a f of x dx. So by folding it becomes 2i, means it is I equal a times 0 to a f of x minus a dx, which is equal a times 0 to a f of x dx. Therefore I is the required integral is half of a by 2, that is a by 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.